Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q5 Vorsprung 45 TFSI quattro. Dressed in the individual paint finish, which is an Audi exclusive, and to the rear you have the privacy glass adding a touch of mystery to the car's profile, and the vehicle has done over 41,000 miles. Standing on 21-inch alloy wheels with a 5 twin spoke design in Audi Sport, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs, as well as those larger items such as pushchairs and suitcases. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery, centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As we take a look around, you can see there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Now, one of the main features is the panoramic glass sunroof, allowing natural daylight to flood the cabin, and as you sink down into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S-embossed logo and front centre armrest. Not forgetting the electrical seating adjustments with a 4-way lumbar for added support and comfort. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. Connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. If you like listening to your playlist, then you'll love the Bang & Olufsen sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display going into Audi smartphone to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. In the maps to help you find your desired destination. Back on the main menu, telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And in the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving modes such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those longer journeys. Below, you have the 3-zone climate controls so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay powered up with the 12-volt and USB charging point. The control pad to the MMI multimedia display, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. Just underneath the armrest with 2 cup holders for those morning coffees, 2 USB charging points and the Audi phone box with wireless charging to keep all devices powered up. This Audi Q5 is now on site and available. For more information, please contact our sales team.